Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is operating system and the functions of operating system. First we will discuss what is operating system. Operating system is a system software. It is software which contains instructions that coordinate all the activities of computer. It is also called resource manager as it control all the resources of computer system. Functions of operating system: memory management, input output management, files management, resource management, user management, and interface management. The first is memory management. Memory is the important resource of every computer system. Now, it is the function of operating system to efficiently use the different types of memory like main memory and secondary memory. There are many types of memory such as temporary RAM, cache, as well as permanent like hard disk, USB disk drives. The operating system handles the allocation and management of memory that program use. In memory management system, the operating system allocates memory to different programs and data and also deallocates when computer don't need it further. The second function of operating system is input output management. As there are many different types of input output devices attached with the computer system like keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, scanner, printer, cameras. So these are input devices. So the data between them must be handled by the operating system. The third function of operating system is files management. What is file? File is a collection of records that is stored on secondary storage device like hard disk, USB, CD, memory card. A file manager of operating system allows the user to locate and manipulate data files which are stored on the hard disk. The operating system keeps tracks of the location of all the files, mean where the files are located, what are the path of a file. If a user wants to move, rename, or delete a file, the operating system helps the user. Users are unable to do anything with their files if there is no operating system. Resource management. There are different resources like CPU time, memory, input output devices, application programs. So, when a program is executed by the CPU, that program is called process. So, this program needs computer memory, CPU time, input output devices. So, these are allocated efficiently to this program or process by the operating system. That's why the operating system is also called resource manager as it manage all the resources. In the networking environment, there are many users use the system. So for this purpose, every user has login and password services so that they can work without interfering with each other. They can work securely. Now this is the function of operating system to manage all these users, to give rights to different users and to access rights. User interface. Interface mean communication. So user interface is the function of operating system through which user can use the computer and the application of computer. There are different types of interfaces, but nowadays the user friendly interfaces Graphical user interface. The user interface is either graphical or text based. The goal of user interface design is to make the user interaction as simple and as efficient as possible. Types of user interface: command line interface, graphical user interface. The old type of interface was command line interface, like in DOS, there is only black screen and user has to write commands, while nowadays the Windows provide graphical user interface with icons, files, pointers. I hope you will learn this lecture. Allah Hafiz.